here it is. It's been a while.
Oh, I can't believe it! A call from the Johnny Razor!
Cut the sass, this is serious.
Why so serious?
You're the worst. Isn't that right, brother?
That's out of the bag so soon?
Well, that's why we're here, because I came here to let the world know who you really are.
I sense some jealousy.
Jealous? You're the one who's been terrorizing me, my friends, and all of YouTube. When will it stop?
Oh, so I'm the villain. Do you forget what you did to me?
I didn't do anything to you. You've just been blaming me for all of your shortcomings.
And why wouldn't I? You're the good boy, I'm the bad boy. You're the favorite, and I'm the forgotten.
But that isn't my fault. I tried to help.
You tried, sure, I believe you. When you abandoned me again, you tried so hard.
I don't think you remember what happened that day. You're the one that left.
I didn't have a choice.
We aren't getting anywhere here. Forget the past. Mistakes were made, and that can't be changed.
Oh, forget the past? It was so easy for you to forget. Relegate me to a dream, an apparition. You forgot, but I remember.
I know it's messed up, but that's no excuse.
Oh, I'm just doing what needs to be done. I suffered while you flourished. Do you know how that felt? Watching you soar while I couldn't even walk.
You know that was your own fault.
Oh, so now it's my fault. My fault I was abandoned at birth. My fault I was never loved.
You know, they thought you were dead, right? They mourned you. It ripped them apart.
Yet they never told you.
Well, yeah, I was 12. You're not gonna tell a child that they had a twin that died at birth.
But I didn't die, did I?
How could I have known that?
And when I clawed my way from the pits of hell to find you did nothing.
I didn't know. I did my best, but I was 12. Everything was so crazy, nothing made sense. You came out of nowhere and tried to replace me twice, and then disappeared yet again.
I did what I had to. Besides, it's over now. I've won.
What do you mean?
Surprise! You thought this was your triumphant moment. The boss is Johnny's secret twin, everyone. Your tours is over. Can't you see? All the pieces fell right into place.
What are you talking about?
Oh, you think getting that log was a coincidence? You think I slipped up?
What?
You've been played, Mr. Razor.
What are you talking about?
You've all been so busy trying to figure out who I am that you've neglected yourselves. The plan worked almost too perfectly.
Oh, you son of...
The first was Joe and Bundun. They were easy. Joe showed resistance to my previous tactics, so I changed the wording a little.
I'm an idiot.
The next was Dano. I needed him to be distracting to get his attention, and I lured him to my base with parent tow so I could capture both of them.
Why didn't I see it?
The rest will join me willingly, brother.
So what is this, blackmail?
I gave you every crumb you needed just so when the time finally came, it'd already be too late.
So this is it, right? It's all over. I lost.
No, not quite. But we surely have some catching up to do.
Is there any way I can get you to stop, to change your mind?
Perhaps, perhaps not. We can go for a little road trip, a bonding exercise. I can explain everything and I'll change your mind about it all. I'll show you why I and